7 plants that help you sleep better. Welcome to Plant Pals TV. In today's video, we're diving into the world of plants that can help improve your sleep. Whether you struggle to fall asleep or want to enhance your sleep quality, these 7 plants will not only beautify your home but also create a peaceful environment for restful nights. Let's get started. First up is the soothing lavender. This fragrant flower is known for its calming properties. Research shows that its scent can lower heart rate and reduce anxiety, making it perfect for improving sleep. Place it near your bed to create a relaxing atmosphere that helps you wind down at night. Next is jasmine. This delicate plant has been shown to improve the quality of your sleep and reduce anxiety. The sweet fragrance of jasmine has been found to increase deep sleep, so you'll wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Plus, it's easy to grow indoors. 3. Snake plant. The snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is not only easy to care for but also great for sleep. This plant absorbs toxins and releases oxygen at night, helping purify the air while promoting a better night's rest. Keep it by your bed for cleaner air and a peaceful sleep. 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for its skin healing properties, but did you know it can also promote better sleep? This plant releases oxygen at night, making your bedroom feel fresh and inviting. Aloe vera can also help purify the air, making it an excellent addition to your sleep space. 5. Chamomile. Chamomile isn't just for tea. This lovely plant has a calming scent that can help you relax before bed. The fragrance of chamomile is known to reduce stress and anxiety, creating a peaceful atmosphere to help you drift off to sleep. Consider growing chamomile in a small pot on your windowsill. 6. Valerian root. If you've ever used valerian root in tea, you know it's known for promoting sleep. The valerian plant emits a mild, earthy aroma that can help calm your nervous system and prepare your body for rest. It's an excellent choice for anyone struggling with insomnia or anxiety. Last but not least, the peace lily. This beautiful plant is not only a natural air purifier, but it also helps create a calm environment by reducing airborne toxins. Peace lilies are known to have relaxing effects, making them perfect for bedrooms, where they can encourage deep, restorative sleep. There you have it, 7 plants that can help you sleep better. Adding these plants to your bedroom will not only enhance your sleep but also purify the air and bring a touch of nature into your home. Let us know in the comments which plant you'll be adding to your space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more plant care tips. Sleep tight and see you in the next video.